Hello everyone, this is Merce Evans and I'm back in making music video reactions. And this time, I am so excited to watch this music video which just posted by SB19. Ayan, out na nga into social media platforms ang Moonlight. Don't forget to stream Moonlight, guys. Talagang nakikita ko it's almost 1 million views in 24 hours. Wow! And I believe talagang maganda itong song na to, music video na to. And this is a collaboration between Ian Asher, Terry Jong, and SB19, which are really great in making history in music industry. So talaga, this is a big hit, no, from now on. But I really wanted to see why they are wearing this kind of outfit, which is very formal, and all of them were having black hair. They're wearing eyeglasses, and as I searched, I've seen in Twitter that the glasses that they are wearing is coming from Ideal Vision, and I really wanted to discover what kind of style each member is wearing. Ken is wearing Gucci, which is almost amounting to 29,000. Wow, it's very expensive eyeglasses, but it really fits on his handsome face, no? Talagang bagay sa kanya yung mga ganitong type, lalo siyang gumagwapo. Almost all of them actually. Si Pablo is wearing rounded na frame which highlights his small face and his beautiful eyes, no? Talagang ang gwapo niya dito tingnan. Although it's not so expensive. And Justin is wearing Saint Laurent, which is almost amounting into 28,000. Rounded frame looks great on Justin talaga. He looks like younger in this kind of style that he has, enhanced by his bangs, no? Lalo siyang pumugi dito talaga. And yung bunso ng madla. Estelle! My gosh. Estelle's eyeglasses, not so much expensive. Although it's almost 4,000, no? But, napaka-elegant ang kanyang dito, look. Lalo lang siyang gumwapo. And whatever he is wearing talaga is bagay naman sa kanya. Kahit na anong style, no? Bagay talaga sa kanya. And Josh, of course, he has the unique design or style of eyeglasses from Tom Ford, which is very expensive also. It's almost 25,000 yung kanyang eyeglasses, but this kind of outfit, parang they're looking like an executives, parang CEO sila ng isang kumpanya. I'm wondering how they portray this kind of music and what is the message of this music, because they were able to control their facial expressions. As I've seen in the teaser, wala silang facial expressions dito, guys, and they're having this creepy, like unusual nila na dance moves, which is they don't have facial expressions. We know SB19, they couldn't dance without their faces like having fierce look, smiling, facial moves nila, no, na unique. But this time they don't have it, guys. So why? I just wanted to know. So let's watch this video and discover kung ano talaga. And thank you pala for Ian Asher and Terry Jong for collaborating with our beloved Mahalima. You won't regret it kasi you have chosen the best group of the Philippines, and I can see globally talagang the best talaga sila. So let's start watching this video, guys. Nice! So clean and neat. Who is it? Justin? Oh yeah, it was Justin. Oh, this is Josh now. Wow. Oh my god, I want to go back to his yeah, this one. You see, guys, ang ganda ng eyeglasses on him. It highlighted his lifted nose, rounded eyes, and wow, the lips. Napakagwapo. Oh, nice! This is Pablo. It was Ken before him. Let's go back, guys. The part with Ken. No. Gwapo ni Ken Look at him sa eyeglasses na to. Bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya din. Ano? All of them talaga napakaganda tingnan. And Justin, you see, he looks like baby here. Pablo, the CEO. Look at him, guys. Very proud leader of SB19. Proud in a nice way na hindi siya mapagmataas. He's just proud of what they have accomplished. You see, guys, wala silang facial expressions. Our vocalist, ayan yung sinasabi ko, his eyeglasses not so expensive, but it doesn't matter. Whatever the design is, whatever the style is, fits on his face na napakagwapo at lalong na highlight yung kanyang ala Superman of the Philippines. His ears almost full of piercings already, and he added this ring on his lips. And Moonlight, I've been loving you baby all night. I've been loving you baby all night. Ang ganda. Ganda. It's like a love song for somebody. Terry Jong and I. Wow. It's just, they just have this poker face. Terry Jong and Ian Asher were just like portraying that they are far away and they're connecting through television. It's like they're just connecting. They're just there in the background, but they are connecting with SB19 in a far away. So, napakaganda ng message. Moonlight, I've been loving you baby all night. Baby, you and me, shadows on the ceiling. So, parang they're just enjoying what they're doing under the moonlight. And they're also pointing the moon up there. And creepy thing, but very wholesome. Oh, wow. My gosh. Our second bunso is so handsome. You know, guys, I'm telling you a story about their first concert nila dito sa New York. We were there, me and my son, Kent, was preparing their water inside the venue. And my son told me, Mama, si Ken, when I look at my back, lumingon ako, nakita ko talaga si Ken was watching on us and just like observing us, And then I was surprised. Oh, Ken! I said, kumusta ka? Ang gwapo mo. I told him that in Bisaya because I know how to speak Bisaya. And he was surprised that I am Bisaya. And my gosh, guys, the voice when he answered me was surprising kasi yung akala mo na parang astig siya, but the voice is really soft, like angelic voice, napaka-deep, napaka-soft. Plus the eyes that is looking at me, my gosh, sabi ko, ang gwapo naman ng batang ito. And then I told him, can I hug you? And then he said, mabaho na ako te. It's like in English, I smell bad already. And then I said, it doesn't matter, I want to hug you. And then I hugged him, and I said, how are you? You're so handsome. Both of you, all of you are handsome. All of you are very good in making music. Napakagaling nyo. And then he said, hindi naman te. And then I said, your palayo is very nice. You're good in everything. Sabi ko sa kanya, ate, wag na natin ang pag-usapan. Maybe he doesn't want to talk about it. So I just stopped. And then I changed topic into their concert. And then he asked me about how we were able to come in the U.S. and how long we've been here. He asked also my son what kind of course he graduated. Naikwento ko pa yata sa kanya that namatay yung husband ko before coming here in New York. He felt bad about it. Pero hindi ko na yan dinagdagan kasi I don't want to give him such kind of feeling now. And then, hindi na ako nagtagal. I said, Ken, we have to go. But I can see in his face that he really wanted to talk, no, sa amin. It's like wondering, bakit magkasama kami mag-ina. And just according to me, na parang namimiss niya siguro yung presence ng mama niya na magkasama sila, no? It's like maybe he's happy seeing us together, me and my son. And na-miss niya yung moment na yan. I feel bad for him actually. Pero ang dami naman niyang ina sa 18. So, and magkasama naman na sila ng mama niya ngayon. And I'm sure that he is happy now. I love this kid so much talaga. And all of them. So let's go before my tears fall. So, let's go guys. Let's continue. Wow! Ang linis! Ang ganda! Ang buhok ni Pao! Ang buhok ni Pao! Umaalog-alog! Ay! Alam nyo guys, yung scouts talaga, I commend talaga the scouts. Wherever talagang binibigyan nila ng justice, yung dance, they're just in the background. Di sila masyadong napapansin ng crowd. Pero sobrang galing nila guys. Kahit sa drama, kahit music ni Pao, yung they're just in someone's house, maybe they're playing the episodes of Pablo's songs, no? Yung Akala, La Luna, and Terminado. Nasa bahay lang sila, they're like having fun. Guys, very natural ang acting. Ooh, shout out to Scouts. Talaga ang galing-galing ninyo. Guwapo ni Stel. See the Scouts? Ang galing lang nila. Justin! Balikan natin si Justin. Josh ulit. Ay, Justin. Wow, you see that? Ang ganda. This is the chorus now. Wow, nasa gitna yung ating main dancer. That's what I'm saying. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. It looks really good on him. This kind of style talaga. And his hair. You know guys, wala na akong ibang gustong style ng hair ni Ken kundi yung brush up. Brush up talaga yung maganda sa kanya tingnan guys. So, let's go. Continue. Pablo. Nice, oh. Wow! Ang hirap nito, they don't even bother, no? About the steps. You see? It takes a lot of time to practice for somebody, but for them, maybe it's just easy. Ito na yung chorus. Ganda! Ay, ganda. Ang ganda ng beat. My God, this is like I'm listening to an R&B international na singers ng R&B. But of course, they're already international. Gusto pang makilala pa sila, mga ka-level ng BTS, ganon. So, sana maabot nila yon, no? Yung level na yon. Going there na, SB19. Congratulations. Ang ganda ng song, ganda ng beats. Thank you also, and congratulations to Ian Asher and Terry Jong. You did great job. All of you talaga. This is a nice music, nice song, and aside from it's written in English, will be accepted by everyone around the world. Let's watch for the success of this Moonlight from our Mahalima SB19. And thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you continue streaming Moonlight. I will do also, not only Moonlight, all of their songs, mag-support pa po tayo, not only for our boys SB19, but also Ian Asher and Terry Jong. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day, and God bless and bye-bye.